In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start subject maths exercise 2.6 class 9 real and complex numbers lecture number 8 exercise 2.6. First of all, we will do the question number 2 exercise 2.6. Now question number 2 is express each complex number in the standard form a plus b iota where a and b are real numbers. So first of all we have solved the third part. It's mean you have to convert this part in standard form of complex numbers. The standard form of complex number is a plus b iota. In previous lecture you know about real numbers. The term which is without iota, that is known as real part, like a. Now b iota, the term which is having iota, like b iota, that is known as a imaginary part. Now outside is minus, so inside sign will be changed. It become plus 3 minus 5 iota. Now outside is minus, then inside sign will be changed. Now 3 minus 4, you have to combine the real part and combine the imaginary part. Now 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. So 9 plus 5 equals to, I think so, 14 iota. So its answer is, you can take minus as a common, then inside 1 plus 14 iota. Both ways are correct. This is the answer. You can write in this way or in this way. Both are correct. Now let's see question number 3. Simplify and write your answer in the standard form of complex number a plus b iota. Now fourth part, 2 minus 3 iota as it is. Bar means you have to take the conjugate. 3 minus 2 iota, in conjugate you have to change the sign of imaginary part. Now it becomes 3 plus 2 iota when you will remove its bar. Now you have to multiply. 2 multiply by first of all these two numbers, like 3 plus 2 iota. Now minus 3 iota as it is. 3 plus 2 iota. Now you have to multiply. Each number which is inside the bracket multiply by 2. 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4 iota. Outside is minus, so inside sign will be changed. It becomes minus 9 iota minus 6 iota square. Now 6 9 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 iota. 6 iota square, its value is minus 1. So you can put 3 dot and write its reason. Iota square equals to minus 1. Now you can write 6 minus 5 iota plus 6. Now 12 minus 5 iota. That is the answer. You have to convert this question in standard form of complex number a plus b iota or a minus b iota. Now let's see question number 4. Simplify and write your answer in the standard form of complex number like a plus b iota. Now check that this question is in fraction form. So first of all you have to remove the fraction. So multiply by its conjugate. Take the conjugate of denominator. Its conjugate is 3 minus iota. So multiply and divide by its conjugate. Now numerator multiply by numerator. Now denominator multiply by denominator. Now 9 multiply by each term. You can write 9 into 3 minus iota minus 7 iota multiply by 3 minus iota. Now one time plus second time minus, so you can write in separate whole square. Now 9 multiply by 3 27 minus 9 iota minus 21 iota plus 7 iota square. Now 9 minus iota square, so put the value of iota square. Its value is minus 1. Now 27 as it is, minus minus plus, but sign will be minus, and I think it will be equals to minus 30 iota plus 7 into minus 1. Now 9 plus 1. Now 27 minus 30 iota plus minus 7, 10. Now 27 minus 7, 20 minus 30 iota divided by 10. Now taking I think so 10 as a common, then inside 10 to the 20, 10 3 the 30 divided by 10. It will be cancelled with 10. Now its answer is 2 minus 3 iota. Now check that this question you have to convert in standard form of a complex numbers. Now question number 7 of this exercise, second part. First of all you have to open the bracket, start the solution. 3 multiplied by x, 3x plus 3y iota minus 2x iota and minus 2y iota square. Now right side, 2 multiplied by x, 2x minus 4y iota. There is no space, so okay, I will shift it. Now plus 2 iota minus 1. Now 3x plus 3y iota minus 2x iota minus 2y and put the value of iota square minus 1. Now 2x minus 1, combine the real part and combine the imaginary part. Now here it becomes 3x plus 2y. Now 3y iota minus 2x iota equals to 2x minus 1 minus 4y iota plus 2 iota. Now 3x plus 2y is the real part. Now taking iota as a common, then inside 3y minus 2x. Now 2x minus 1. Now here taking minus iota as a common, then inside 4y minus 2. You are taking minus as a common, so inside sign will be changed. When you will close the bracket and outside is minus, then inside sign will be changed. When outside is minus and you are going to open the bracket, then inside sign will also be changed. Now you can write 3x plus 2y plus iota as it is into 3y minus 2x equals to 2x minus 1 minus iota into 4y minus 2. Now you can write here by comparing. Now you can by comparing real and imaginary part. Real part equals to real part of right hand side and imaginary part equals to imaginary part of right hand side. Iota cancel with iota, outside is minus, then inside sign will be changed. Now after simplification you have to get minus 2x plus 7y equals to 2. That is known as equation number 2. Now you have to equating the coefficient method applying here. Its coefficient is, the coefficient of x is 1 and here the coefficient of x is 2. So you have to multiply equation 1 by 2. That is known as equation number 3. Now signs of coefficient are against to each other, are opposite to each other, so you have to add by adding equation number 2 and 3. So y equals to 0. Now you have to put y equals to 0 in equation number 1 and you have to get the value of x. Like this, you have to put y equals to 0 in equation number 1, then x plus 2 into 0 minus 1, so x equals to minus 1. That is the answer. I hope you have to understand this exercise 2.6. So you have to do the practice of exercise 2.6. Allah Hafiz.